I forgive the world I built 'cause it gave me me. Now you're out of sight, out of mind. The only you that exists is the one that I left behind.
I told you sit back and listen to how I do it. I'm the realest that step in this shit, I'm being real. I can't be fucked with in a microwave. Oh, you know I put it on the stove to make it still come back. I pay the rent off everything I do. Give a fuck who don't fuck with me, 'cause you know a nigga like me, I'm stuck on you. I can't turn my back on you, no way. Need you right here, I can't do shit without you. I don't know how I really be to not have you by my side. So it's late night, let's ride. We ain't coming back till about 5 AM. You know we in the trap for real. I love to stay at Granny crib. I fell asleep there last night. Don't be mad at me, I'm trying to get my money right. Nah, microwave. Microwave the biggest to do it. Microwave will show you how to really do it. You know I fuck with you for real. We the realest in this bitch for real. I wrap you up so tight. I put a stamp in the middle of you, just to show them that I really love you. I got the highest shit in the city right now. Appreciate you for sure. Microwave Black the biggest for sure. Microwave, it's all off my microwave. And I ain't lying to you for real. I'm just trying to keep it real. I'm fucking with the microwave for sure, but your love got me twisted in my head for sure.